Hey guys, welcome. My name is TrainSpotEast. I am joined again by him, CamjKerman, Mr. Dan Sullivan,
Mr.
Pardon? AT Trains, CamjKerman, AJB Rail, and Mr. TrainSpotEast over there. Welcome to Glynde or Glynde? Glynde. Welcome to Glynde. Glynde. There's only one TOC that stops here, which is Southern. Hopefully we'll get a bit of freight as well. Hopefully you'll get a bit of freight as well. You can see for a good distance down there. And you can see for a really nice distance down there. Shut up a minute, I'm doing my intro.
May as well.
And that's a lovely nice corner down there. We just had a service come through, which will be the clip after this one.
I apologise to all James's viewers that they were making a bit of things to do. Can't decide they want to go to the park or they don't want to go to the park with you. They do or they want to, they don't. We are, I think.
Dan Sullivan there, everybody.
Cheers.
And
it's only water, don't worry, it's only water. No.
Yeah, it's actually a bottle of vinegar mixed with vodka. But yeah, let's see if anything good turns up here while we're at Glynde or Glynde or whatever it's fucking called. By the way, I don't care if my videos have swearing in them. I won't be censored by YouTube. Fuck!
Shit. Me. Are we stopping or going?
Anyone else want to swear? Feel free.
We're trying to go. Who's going? I'm going.
Anyway, we'll see what else turns up. We can be friends already! And to Hastings. That is the 1448 1 Golf. 1448 Golf 1 Golf 41 Southern service from Brighton to Hastings. Passing on time. We'll see what the next service is to turn up, which will be from Orr to Victoria. Getting ready to pass by now is 1 Foxtrot 37 for the 1449 Southern service from Orr to London Victoria. It is formed of a looks like a double 377 pairing. Here we go, passing now. It is 377. 377428. 377446. 377428 and 377426 passing there from Orr to London Victoria on 1 Foxtrot 37. We'll see what the next train to show up here at Glynde is. Now passing by is going to be 1 Foxtrot 28.
Next stop.
1 Foxtrot 28 with the London Victoria to Orr 1452 service.
I think no, he's gone. Next stop would be Polegate.
Next stop for this would be Polegate, indeed. 1 Foxtrot 28, 1452 Southern service from London Victoria to Orr.
And we'll get what it's formed of after it's passed.
Here we go. I have no idea what the numbers were on that. On the rear it's what 377132. Did you get the front? Did you get the front unit? 125. 377125 on the front there. Woo! Now approaching is the 1502 Southern service from Hastings to Brighton on 1 Golf 24. Sort of a single 2-car 171 unit, and we're about to see it pass by here at Glynde. Let's. Whoa! What a noise! That's at full pelt. Jesus. One 71728. Passing from Hastings to Brighton on the 1502 1 Golf 24. Approaching now is 1 Foxtrot 39, the 1511 Southern service to London Victoria from Eastbourne, formed of one of the 377 Electro Star units, whether it's 1 or 2, I'm not sure. On the front is 377 122 377 433 on the rear, and now approaching it is the Southern service to Orr. Cameron, 377 117 is now on its service to, pulling in on its service to Orr from Brighton. 377 117 on the Southern service to Orr. I'll find out the head code, give me a second. On 2 Delta 33, the 1514 Southern service to Orr from Brighton.
Right, what? It's 1513. Yeah, no. And you're saying it's 16.
1514.
Wait, what? Yes,
1514.
You are now ahead of yourself.
1514, 2 Delta 33.
Wrong.
Anyway, I was trying to tell you, you're saying it's 16.
It's
15,
the
mate.
1514 Southern service
no
from
point doing it, he's
Brighton
paused it.
to Orr. No, he hasn't.
Yes, he has.
No, he
I
hasn't.
just watched him push the button. I just watched you push the
No.
button.
Now departing is the 377 117 on the Southern service from London, from Brighton to Orr. On 2 Delta 33. And that is the last train we're going to film this session. I hope you enjoyed this video from Glynde. It's definitely a station I will be coming back to. I love this station now. It's a fabulous station to film at. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all of that good shit. And I will see you in the next video, which will be from Lewis. I will see you in the next video.